Hello, I'm CG. This is a quick video to show how to make 3D tests in Photoshop 2026. In this tutorial, I will use Generative Fill to make 3D tests in Photoshop 2026. After starting Photoshop, we can go to New File and then we can go to create a new document. And then I will keep this preset and create a new document. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can click and hold to choose the type tool. I will use horizontal type tool and click on Artboard, and we can start to type. I type 3D test, and then we can use move tool and click and drag the corner to enlarge it. I press Alt to enlarge it, something like this, and I put it to the middle and press Enter to apply it. And then we can go to Layers window. If you don't have Layers window, we can go to Window and show Layers here. Now I go back to Layers window, and then we can use right click on one of the layer and then choose Flatten image. Now we can press Ctrl A to select entire image, and then go to top option bar, go to Window, and then go to Show Contextual taskbar. Click, and then we can find Generative Fill. Click, and then make sure that we switch the model to Firefly Image 5 2026. Select it, and then we can type to describe what we want. I type make test 3D. And then we can press generate. Wait a moment. After generating, we have two layers, the before and after. I should put the properties window here. So if you want to change the 3D shape, we can type the prompts to describe what you want. For example, I type make test 3D from top left angle, spelling mistake, angle view. Let me check, and we can press generate. So after generating, we can change the direction of the extrusion. This is the first, and then this is the second. And we can find before and after. Furthermore, if you want to change the color, for example, we can change to gold material. I should input shiny. Let me check. And then if this is okay, we can generate once again. So a 3D test with the gold material is created. So this is how we can make 3D tests using Generative Fill in Photoshop 2026. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG again. See you in the next video.